Workshop Addict will show you how to adjust the handbrake cable on a Hyundai Santa Fe 2007. Open the center armrest in the middle console and remove the small rubber mat inside. Underneath, you'll see a plastic cover. Carefully lift it out using a trim tool or a flat screwdriver. Down inside the opening, you'll see the handbrake cables and an adjustment bolt at the back. It's a 12 mm bolt. Turn it clockwise to tighten the handbrake and counterclockwise to loosen it. Quick, simple, and easy to do at home. Thanks for watching, and check out Workshop Addict for more quick DIY repair guides.